I'm going to show you how to get ExpressVPN trial. So first, visit the ExpressVPN website by opening your web browser and typing in expressvpn.com. And then, on the homepage, click the Get ExpressVPN button. Now, select a subscription plan. Each subscription should include a 7-day free trial. After clicking on your preferred subscription plan, provide your email address in the designated field. Next is to choose your payment method. There are two options. You can either use credit card or PayPal. For credit card users, fill in your first name, last name, zip or postal code, card number, the year and the month, and CVC. For PayPal users, you can just use PayPal Subscribe. But before that, check your order summary including the free trial period and any promotional deals. And there is a checkbox for an optional add-on which is a dedicated IP. If you want a unique IP address in one of 29 locations, select this option. Your payment information will be protected and you will be billed after the 7-day free trial ends. Now for the final step, for credit card users, click Join Now. For PayPal users, click PayPal Subscribe. And basically that's it.